Tabletop hold, three-way hand position. The tabletop hold is a shoulder extension exercise that is used to improve flexibility in the wrists, elbows, and shoulders. The three different hand positions will slightly change the muscle fibers that are being stretched in the forearm, bicep, and chest. Sit on the floor with the hands and feet shoulder width apart. Retract the shoulders and lift the chest up towards the sky. Be proud. Next, lift the hips up to create a straight line from knee to shoulder. Contract the glutes and lock the elbows. Once in the tabletop position, focus on retracting the shoulders and pushing down into the floor as hard as you can. How high can you lift your chest without feeling pain in the elbows? If you start to feel pain in the elbows, back off on the stretch slightly. The first hand position is with the fingers pointing backwards. The second hand position has the fingers pointing out to the sides. And the third and final hand position is with the fingers forward. As mentioned before, the three different hand positions will slightly change the muscle fibers that are being stretched in the forearms, biceps, and chest, and certain positions may feel easier. Hold each repetition of the tabletop for the prescribed amount of time.